Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. Today, we literally have to do some fighting because the bears are celebrating right now because JASMY is down 12%. And they're like, yeah, you're bullish on JASMY. Yeah, you're wrong. It's down 12%. So, we've been looking at the JASMY price for a very long time. And of course, let me just take reference of late November 2024. When we were down below here, yeah, a lot of people were bearish on JASMY. They were saying JASMY is a scam, and then it doesn't have any development. So it's forming this, head and shoulders pattern, and it's going to go down to $0.008, whatever the case may be. But it just goes on to show you that, we are in a net uptrend here for JASMY, and the odds are favoring the price to move towards the upside. In the same period of time when everybody has been complaining that JASMY is a scam, it has actually managed to amass at some point something like a 22x or something like that. You can see from the bottom here until the very top, exactly 21x. So yeah, unless you're believing that we are beginning the bear cycle, you can as well celebrate this, open a short position maybe with 100x or something like that, and short JASMY, make millions whilst the price is moving towards the downside. Of course, for me, I don't believe that this is the beginning of the bear market. I mean, really, it's not like that. I don't believe that there is a bull cycle in which Ethereum fails to make a new all-time high and being outperformed by Bitcoin. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. I know everybody's saying ETH is dead at this point, but I believe that ETH is actually the one that is holding the keys for the next biggest altcoins. And I'll explain in this video. And let's start here by the JASMY price chart. Of course, before we get there, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and people looking for JASMY content will now be able to find this video much more easily. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because I do TA on JASMY and a number of other different altcoins on a regular basis. These drawings that you are seeing are from the video that we made yesterday when I was saying that, I think that as long as Ethereum is pulling back towards its main support level, which was here on the 4-hourly time frame. Let me quickly show you that very fast. I'm really sorry because I forgot to set it up nice and easy, and I'm already late to this video today. We were saying that Ethereum usually gets a rejection at retracement levels, then comes back to test the support level here. But as you can see here, that support level was also not holding very much strongly. The reason is, of late, for some reason or the other, we have seen these things happening that, everybody is putting the support to be here. Then the market makers can see that a lot of people have got their buys in here. They are now dropping the support level to the next support, which is really not the main one, as you can see on top right there, just to wrong foot everybody again. Remember, the market is designed to take away the most money from the most number of people. So things like this are very normal at this point in this market. But I'm not really surprised to see if Ethereum starts really bouncing and pumping towards the upside, because really there is something major that is going to be happening here. Ethereum is at the very last of its resistances, right? If it clears these resistances, it's new all-time highs, and you know what time it is, right? If it's new all-time highs for Ethereum, it's very good for JASMY. It's very good for any other altcoin that you are holding. Now, we can all see this, and we can also understand what is going to be happening next. Everybody knows that the next big price target for Ethereum is, $11,000, $15,000, even $17,000. And that is definitely also good news for JASMY. But living through this moment is the hardest thing ever, because you can see that, really, there is a big effort to check out as many people as possible right around this zone. You can see rejection once. You can also see that we have got a rejection for the second time, another rejection as well here, just to dishearten a lot of people, another rejection as we are seeing right here. But also know that the more you hit on a resistance level or a support level for that matter, that is also the more likely that you're going to be able to break that resistance or support eventually. So yes, I'm very bullish on Ethereum, not because there are so many returns on Ethereum, but I also know that in this period, this is when JASMY can be able to break its 4 cents resistance and even go way higher, right? So we remember, I'm still looking at that price target of right around 8 cents for JASMY. I've been saying that it's a 150% pump, but now just because the price is going lower and lower, the pump even gets much bigger and bigger. It doesn't feel like that right now because, people don't like to buy when the candle is red. They want to buy when the candle is green, but it should be the other way around. So I think, I'm still very much bullish on JASMY, you can tell. We may have gotten some things wrong every now and then, but still the overall trend here for JASMY, I think, is still to the upside. I don't believe this. Let me just repeat this one more time. I don't believe that we are at the end of this bull cycle, and it doesn't make sense to be selling JASMY for, a 12% drop or something like that, at least in my school of thought, right? Maybe for you, you've got a different strategy, a different opinion altogether, but still, I think that the best is yet to come. The key here again, in my opinion, is with Ethereum. Very last resistance, everybody can see that something big is about to happen. it's just very difficult to live through this moment because the emotions are actually telling you otherwise. But I don't want to be that guy who sells when we're just about to get like to the sweetest part of this bull cycle. And I think the rally is going to be happening very fast, 2-3 months, and we are pretty much done right there. So in conclusion, I believe that there is limited room towards the downside here for JASMY. In fact, I think we can continue the consolidation and we can still break 4 cents and we can go higher. Lowest price target 8.3 cents. Then from there, of course, we are looking at bigger retracement levels like 16 cents, 21 cents, 32 cents, 54 cents, the best price target that I have for this bull cycle. Other than that, I'll see you on the next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves. Bye.